Dear students and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahmat English Research Center. Today I will teach you about person. Why did I select this topic? Why am I teaching you person? Because person is used instead of subject. Person is used in place of subject. Without knowing person, you will not be able to speak and write English properly. If you understand the person well, then it will be very easy for you to speak and write English. Person plays an important role in speaking and writing English. Person usually serves as the subject. Dear students, I have written some sentences on the blackboard. Person. What is person? Person means man, woman or child. Person means man, woman or child. Person, a human being regarded as an individual is called a person. A human being regarded as an individual is called a person. Individual means single. A person is of three types. Person is of three types. First person, second person and third person. First person, what is first person? Speaker is called first person. Speaker is called first person. It is of two types. Speaker is called first person. It is of two types. First person singular number I and first person plural number we. And what is second person? Now, what is second person? Listener is called second person. Listener is called second person. Second person is of two types. Second person singular number and second person plural number. Second person singular number you and second person plural number you. Now, what is third person? To talk about is called third person. To talk about is called third person. Third person is of two types. Third person singular number he, she, it, single name, etc. And third person plural number they, two or more than two names. As for example, the teacher tells the student that Ahmed is a good boy. Here I have written an example. The teacher tells the students that Ahmed is a good boy. Here who is speaker and who is listener and about which we talking. Here the teacher I have written in black. Here the teacher is the subject. Here the teacher is the first person because teacher is a speaker and all the students are listeners. So students are the second person. And about which we talking? About which we talking? I am talking about Ahmed. So Ahmed is the third person. Speaker is called first person. Here teacher is the speaker. So the teacher is the first person. Listener is the second person. Here students are the listener. So students are the second person. To talk about which we talking. Here we are talking about Ahmed. So Ahmed is a third person. Except I, we and you. All others come in third person. First person I and we. Second person you. Except I, we and you, all others come in third person. Dear students and viewers, if you like the video, then like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I am moving away from the blackboard. You take a screenshot of it.